Let's get into it. 2014 Audi S8. This is the performance enhanced flagship model out of Audi's lineup. She's based off the Audi A8 luxury sedan. She's packing a 4-liter V8 rated at 520 horsepower, backed by an 8-speed paddle shifted transmission. She's a one-owner, elderly owned. She had all her maintenance done locally at a Audi dealership. And she just had a recent service done at an Audi dealership, right around $3 grand. So she's ready to go. And she's in excellent condition. And she's all-wheel drive. They have what they call a Quattro permanent all-wheel drive system to make sure all the power goes to the ground. She has a little over 64,000 miles. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She's fully loaded. Navigation, leather seats, sunroof, Alcantara headliner. Back seats in excellent condition also. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 4-liter V8 backed by an 8-speed automatic. Let's start her up. She running nice and smooth. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Don't miss out this one bad ride. Y'all have a good one.